Let's be brutally honest for a second. Many new parents today are overwhelmed. You have got all those feeding apps, sleep trackers, developmental checklist, white noise machines, etc. But still your baby is crying. And you are anxious and exhausted, and deep down you're wondering why isn't anything working? So, what if I told you today that there is one most powerful parenting tool that will help your baby sleep deeper, poop easier, cry less, and connect more? And it is something you can do it very easily. Yes, it is baby massage. So, baby massage for many of them, it is something that is to be done just before bath and just before night sleep. But no, baby massage is something really deep. It's neuroscience, it's hormonal regulation, it's an emotional connection, skin to skin form, and 99% of parents are missing out on it. Stick around because in this video, I will show you the exact science behind the baby massage, a step-by-step guide that any parent can follow, one powerful stroke that will help your baby keep calm, and that one stroke you should completely avoid after 3 to 4 months, which could be harming your baby. Hi, I'm Dr. Pallavi Deshmukh, a pediatrician and a parenting coach, and I have worked with thousands of new moms in hospitals and clinics. And I have found this one thing again and again कि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि मेडिसिन से ही बेबी ठीक होगा, only medicines will heal your baby. But this is not the fact. It is something what you do outside the doctor's office. So let me share a real case study here. So few months back, I had one couple. उनका 6 weeks old baby था and the complaint was that baby is continuously cranky, continuously crying, not able to sleep, not able to feed. And parents एकदम परेशान हो गए थे कि how to deal with the baby now. And they tried everything. They tried changing the formula feed, tried using probiotic drops, tried even changing the diapers, and watched multiple videos on YouTube about how to swaddle the baby, how to make the baby sleep, and multiple lullabies to make the baby sleep, but nothing worked. Then I asked this one question to baby's mom कि क्या आप baby को massage करती हो? Then her answer was कि no, one lady is coming in the morning and she is doing the massage for the baby. फिर हम उसे नहलाते हैं and then उसके बाद में baby सो जाता है. So my question to here all moms, new moms here is क्या आप आपके baby का massage करती हो? So many of the times the answer is no. But understand when you massage your baby, so it is just not है ना कि सिर्फ massage करना है. No, it's actually a bonding time. It's biology, it's brain development, it's gut stimulation and it's cortisol reduction. So I explained everything to that new mom and 3 days later she was very happy. She messaged me कि finally अभी सब complaints baby के चले गए हैं. There is no crankiness, no crying, no fussiness and finally she is having a good time with her baby. So understand this baby massage है ना ये सिर्फ देवी ritual नहीं है. It's a tradition which has passed down through generations. But in today's world, no, everything is replaced. This wisdom is replaced with Wi-Fi. And now we learn to schedule, we learn to swaddle, and then we forget this one important thing. That is your touch. So let me be very clear here. Understand your baby's first language is your touch. No words, no screens, no pacifiers, just you and your touch. Now let me explain you the science behind the baby massage. So when you massage the baby, there is an activation of multiple centers. First thing, oxytocin floods the brain. Oxytocin is a love hormone जो safety and emotional trust build up करता है. Second, there is reduction in the cortisol level, which is a stress hormone. So जैसे stress hormone कम होता है, baby feels calm and relaxed, and baby is able to feel deeper and better. थर्ड, गट स्टिमुलेशन, गैस, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, कॉलिक, सभी प्रॉब्लम एकदम ड्रामेटिकली सॉल्व हो जाती है. फोर्थ, द वेगस नर्व इज एक्टिवेटेड which regulates the nervous system. And fifth, the very important thing, your baby learns safety through touch, and this is the foundation of emotional regulation. So ये सारी चीजें है ना, it starts very early in baby's life, that is from week 1, not at the age of 4 and 5. Now let me explain you how to do it right. So first pick up the right time. So mostly it is before bath and before night sleep. That is what I advise. Okay, 15 minutes before bath and 15 minutes before they sleep during the night. And do not do massage when they are hungry or overstimulated. No, that will not cause any good to them. Second, you have to choose the right oil. So I normally advise Figaro oil. You can use any oil which suits your baby, but it should be without fragrance and without chemicals. Third, start with legs. आपको पैरों से आपको legs से चालू करना है. It is less invasive and it builds trust. Fourth, use gentle downward strokes. So arms and legs आपको long sweeping motions करने हैं, and on tummy you have to do in a clockwise directions. Fifth, keep it short. 10 to 15 minutes maximum. ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए मसाज नहीं करनी है. I told you उससे भी बेबी को बॉडी पेन होता है and they are irritable. So 3 to 5 minutes each part. Face, legs, arms, back and tummy. And sixth, very important thing, you need to talk to your baby when you massage. Okay, again, that is where the bonding is formed. Now the powerful stroke I told you, which is known as a heart sweep technique. So आपको क्या करना है? You have to place your fingers beneath the baby's shoulders and you have to slide it around the chest, and that fingers should come and meet it at the bottom of the rib cage. You have to do it 3 to 4 times like this. So this comes in a shape of a heart, right? So that's why it is known as a heart sweep technique. So why this technique is important? Because it activates the vagus nerve. Now this vagus nerve is very, very important. It is one of the most powerful nerves in the body, especially in babies. It runs from the brain down to the stomach and is directly connected to brain, lungs, deep sleep and also emotional regulation. So it's one of the fastest ways to calm a crying baby. Now, the one stroke which you should completely avoid, that is deep squeezing stroke on the legs. Now understand, as the baby is growing from 3 to 4 months of age, they begin to develop valves in their veins, and these valves are very important for the blood to flow in the right direction. So when you put deep pressure on those on the legs, you are putting pressure on those valves which can potentially damage them. So आपको deep squeezing strokes बिल्कुल से avoid करने हैं. Second thing क्या होता है, when you use the deep squeezing strokes ना, it overstimulates the baby and the baby gets cranky, agitated and overwhelmed. So stop using it. Now, many parents ask me, what's the best parenting tool? So as I told, it's not any swaddle, it's not any sleep codes, it's not even this video. It's you and your touch. So understand, this baby massage na, ये कोई wellness train नहीं है. It is something when you learn and when you apply it properly, it is your baby's first language, which is going to help your baby sleep better, poop easier, cry less and connect more. So now I have shared everything about the massage and massage techniques and why it is important and all. But understand, this one generic advice is not going to fit each and every baby. हर एक baby का problem अलग होगा. So if you feel your baby is having trouble sleeping, fussy during massage or any digestion issues, you can book a one-on-one consultation call with me where I will guide you एकदम customized only for your baby and all your concerns will be solved. Okay? Session book करना एकदम से easy है. You can click on the link which is given in my description. Once you click there, within 24 hours, my team will connect with you for one-on-one personalized session. If you found this content helpful, hit like and share it with other new moms and subscribe my channel for more such amazing content.